How to create account in Trello. Want to manage projects easily? Here's how to create your Trello account. So first, go ahead and download the Trello app or access it, and then click on sign up and enter your email and create a secure password. Now check your inbox and tap the verification link to confirm your account. Now, once you have signed up for an account, you can go ahead and start creating boards on your workspace. So simply click on this create, and then from here you can go ahead and create a board from scratch or start with a template. And then you can go ahead and name your board, add background for your board, and invite team members. Boards help you track tasks visually. And that is how to create account in Trello.